Sounds like kind of like an erotic scenario you might see in a French movie or something late at night, you know? Oh, an arbitrage.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Crypto with
Amine.
You changed your shirt, Amine.
Sometimes it helps.
It does. I am your crypto dummy, he's your crypto expert practitioner. If you like these videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, sometimes I like, when you give me explanations to terminology in the crypto world and stuff that I have no idea what they mean. Alright, what is an arbitrage?
The academic definition of an arbitrage, it has to be instant, riskless, and profitable.
Profitable.
Yes.
But what is it?
It's basically doing action that has these three conditions. Anything that has these three conditions is called an arbitrage.
Okay.
So for example, in coins, what you do is that you have one coin, okay?
In crypto?
In crypto, for example.
So in crypto, what's the context of it in crypto?
In crypto, you have one coin that is listed in two different exchanges.
Okay.
And there's
like
a price
what
difference.
do you mean by two different exchanges?
There's one exchange and another exchange, two different venues.
Like CoinDesk and blah,
Coinbase
blah, blah.
and
Or Coinbase and something else.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got thing listed in two different places.
That's right.
Okay.
And one of them is cheaper than the other. So you buy where it's cheap and you sell where it's expensive.
Okay.
And you keep on doing that until it becomes unprofitable. Arbitrage is basically a way to remove inefficiencies of the market. The crypto space is full of arbitrage opportunities. There's basically not much to do here, okay? There is not much to do for regular people because arbitrage opportunities are usually taken by high-speed execution algorithms. Or users, like normal people, can do some arbitrage, but on some very illiquid stuff.
I have one definition of an arbitrage here.
Yes, sir.
It is the purchase and sale of the same asset in different markets in order to profit from differences in the asset's price.
That's exactly what I explained. And he's missing something, that there is three conditions. It needs to be instant, riskless, okay, and profitable.
So that's it. That's all you've got to say about arbitrage.
Yeah, but it's it's one of those sexy words.
Do people need to know what arbitrage is?
It's one of those sexy words. Most arbitrage opportunities, unfortunately, are not for the common people because they're executed by high-speed scripts.
Sounds like kind of like an erotic scenario you might see in a French movie or something late at night, you know? Oh, an arbitrage.
Yeah. Arbitrageurs usually are very good at identifying arbitrage opportunities and they take them first. Okay? So anyone that is trying to sell you something with arbitrage, there is no need to sell anyone something with arbitrage. You understand? Why? Because if there is an arbitrage, you just take it on your own. You don't need other people to share with you. Because it's instant, riskless, and profitable. What else do you want?
Do you like arbitrages?
What does that mean?
Do you like an arbitrage?
What does it mean? Do you like an arbitrage? What the
Do you understand arbitrage? Do you? Do you think they do?
Do you like arbitrage? What does do you like arbitrage mean?
Say goodbye, I mean.
Goodbye.